nakaganon eh. So, nakaganon. Pag hinagka ka, talaga pa. It's just a needle. Bawal lang talaga akong hawakan mamaya. Biglang hug, kundi tusok. Welcome to Paris Fashion Week. Let's go. Oh my God, nice to meet you. Welcome. I'm easy. I've been wanting to come here, and they have all of these beautiful clutch bags. They have the Great Gatsby, and it's not just a clutch bag, but it's also decoration, a decorative conversation. No Wuthering Heights just yet. Kitang Secrets also. Just married. This is perfect. Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Brad Pitt. This is from Portugal, so you can see.
Bibiling ko lang to for my future self.
I love it. It's so beautiful. The first aid
And did you
kit.
see? You can make your own?
I want panda. Can I do that? I like to play.
So it could be nice to have something
it's
a little bit
different.
different.
Yeah.
Super
Wow.
cool.
Yes. You want something more cohesive.
Maybe.
Yeah.
See you. How are you?
It's my first time. But I'm happy to be here. It's my first show actually. I give you
after.
Oh, thank you so much. Nice. I give you that. Yeah. Never ending fitting and we love it.
Carry.
Kayanin ko yun.
The day before yesterday.
See you. Thank you. See you at the show.
I'm good.
Magkamukha.
Every damn day.
Show number 1. This is officially for us to start. Tomorrow is gonna be crazy. The next day is a bit crazy before we leave. And then it's gonna be very peaceful because we're gonna land safely in Manila. Look at my ring. Ouch. This one is from the invitation of Schiaparelli. And it's a finger. So if you're too shy to lift a finger, ganun na lang.
Kita mo ka agad, hindi ka naman babasahin ng lahat.
Amazing. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Hill.
Trademark ko na ko.
Happy birthday, sis.
Da. Yeah, perfect.
That's it. That was free mo na. Thank you for my bag.
So sa'yo na din yung iba. Ay hindi, babalik na.
Charms lang yung babalik.
At ito sa akin. Change for Schiaparelli.
Pak, tapos ganun kami. Bigay mo.
Birthday niya.
Ayan. Designer and stylist.
The niplet.
Patingin ako ng ano, ng...
Tunay na Parisha. Oo, pa. Ikot.
Kailan mo pinalagay yung piercing mo?
Tagal na. That's the secret of it all. After nito, wala na talaga akong maitatago. Paano pa ako lalabas mamaya? Automatic.
Thank you so much.
Susuka ako. But I'm happy to be here. It's just the health is kind of failing me at the moment. Hi, darling.
I just shoot you. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna do my turn.
Kamusta? Ang ganda ng look. Nakakabulabog. Ang cute namin ni Steph. I want that photo. Isabel Marant, you coming? Of course!
Na-stuck si birthday girl.
Sis!
Ano nangyari?
Hindi kami umaalis. Hindi nga kami umaalis dun sa kinalalagyan namin.
Talaga pang
Hindi
birthday.
na nakita yung crowd na lumabas siya.
Hindi. Tapos nawala ka. Tapos nilalapitan namin pag may kumpulan si Heart ba yun? Sabitan namin, hindi. Naiyak nga ako eh.
Sobra.
Ako naman.
Well, you've made it.
Ako na naman yung masisisi sa lagay na to.
Birthday niya, sana
2
man lang.
versus 1.
Team tayo dito, di ba?
Kasalanan nyo na hindi kayo attentive.
Ganda ng top. Ang ganda ng look. Wag ngayon. Wag ako. Wow. Okay, we can relax now. Woo! Welcome to Isabel Peralta. Yeah. We're in front of the Eiffel Tower celebrating Hill's birthday in Paris, as usual. Happy birthday to you!
Kaya kumanta na rin ako. Kunyari, hindi ko alam. Sige.
Ako na hindi mo alam. Kunyari hindi mo alam.
Jogging. Ah! Oh my God! Birthday pa na.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hillary!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Beautiful heart. Your heart?
Over your shoulder.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Good night, guys. Itutulog ko to. Hindi ko na kaya, but I love it. I love it.